Health problems. What's wrong? What's the matter? What's wrong? I have a stomach ache.
I have a headache. I have a cough.
I have itchy eyes. I have a runny nose. I have a fever.
I have an earache. I have a sunburn. I have a cut. I have a backache.
I have a burn.
I have a bruise.
I have a sprained ankle.
I have a toothache.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore foot.
I have a sore finger.
I feel nauseous.
I feel dizzy.
Giggles!